All right, we're in Michigan at 610 Ship Street. And check out what we got in here. Look at this. Vintage elevator. Vintage McNally elevator. Wow. Look at that. Oh, hold on. Look at this. This thing is small. This thing is very small. Look. Not big. Look at that. Rare GAL. Up to 2. Wow, look how thin the door panels are. This is like something you'd see in Europe. Look, there's like, they must have had, I mean, clearly they barely had any space to work with this way. All right, there's a boat. Looks like some sort of historic museum. Who knows? Anyway, up to 2. Pretty cool. Let's take a look at the panel quickly while the door's open. We have more light. Oh, look, yeah, Braille's here. Oh, and it auto calls, or someone called it. I'll get out.